So I've created an AI calling agent for my own business and I'm just going to show you how you can also create one. But before we move on further and see how to create one, I'm just going to show you how this is going to work. So as you can see, I'm just receiving this call. So let's pick this up.
This is Zara calling from Trendwave Boutique. You recently shared your details for our clothing collection. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, it is.
Wonderful. May I know if you're interested in our men's collection or women's collection?
So I'm interested in your men's collection.
Great. What type of clothing are you usually interested in? Shirts, streetwear, or something else?
Shirts.
Thanks for sharing. What size do you usually wear? We have XS, S, M, L, and XL available.
I wanted to know for M.
Perfect. M size is available. Would you prefer to receive our latest catalog and discount code on WhatsApp or SMS?
WhatsApp. So yes, as you saw that this agent called me and asked me for all the details. And yes, no one is sitting and doing this manually. But instead, we have created this AI calling agent, and this AI calling agent which we have created using Pabbly and Bolna AI is making all the calls and collecting the details of my leads. And further, we can convert them into paying clients without any manual efforts. How? For that, you also have to create this automation. So go grab on your laptops and follow me till the end. You just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can make 100 of calls for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Yes, but I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. The discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below, no need to worry. Now this is the workflow builder with the help of which we're going to create this automation, and this is the most important window. So why is this so important? Because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to search for Google Ads because I use Google Ads to collect the details of my own leads. You can use any other application if you wish, and if you have the details in the single spreadsheet, you can use spreadsheet too. Now for the event, I'm just going to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. We're going to receive this webhook URL. So let's just copy this webhook URL and open our Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, I've added this lead form and I'm just going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, just scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. Open this for the webhook URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent successfully right over here. So open your workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the test data. As you can see, all the details are captured. Now you have two options. You can click on this recapture webhook response and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option is create this automation using these details and it is going to run perfectly fine for the real leads too, no need to worry. Now I'm just going to do the same. For that, you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for date time formatter. So date time formatter is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to format the date and time. So in order to make a call, we have to schedule a call, and in order to schedule anything, we require date and time. So for that, we're just going to use the time formatter by Pabbly. For the event, we have to select it as modify current date and then click on this connect. Now it is asking me for the date format. So how will we know this date format? For that, you just have to save this and close this. For now, we are going to come over here back. First, let's just set up Bolna AI. So for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Bolna and then select Bolna right over here. For the event, you have to select it as make a phone call and then click on this connect. Now it is saying select an existing connection and then save, or add a new connection and then save. So if you've already created the connection between Bolna and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, you have to open your Bolna AI account. Now what you have to do is from the left end of the side, you have to go towards this providers and make sure to to connect a provider right over here. As you can see, I've connected my Twilio account. So this is very important that you connect your provider. And then you have to go towards this developers, you have to go towards this create new key button and create your key. Then just copy this API key, click on this yes, I've copied the API key and paste it right over here, and then click on this save, and your Bolna AI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, first of all it is going to ask you for the agent. So as you can see, I'm just going to use this agent which I have already created. If you want to create a new agent, go towards this add new agent button. You can enter the agent name, select the language, enter all of these details and generate your own agent. If you want to create the agent from scratch, you can click on this I want to create an agent from scratch and create your own too. I'm just going to use the same agent only. Once you create the agent, make sure to set up the welcome message, then also make sure to set up all of these details. The main thing is when you go on this call, you have to choose your telephony provider. For me it is Twilio because I have connected my Twilio account. Not only this, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you add some variables too. If you want to add the variable in your welcome message, like it said my name while calling me. So if you want to do this, then you can add this variable. You just have to enter the variable in this curly bracket like this I have added. I'll just let you know further how we can use this variable. Alright, so now you have to select the agent, and after we select the agent, it is asking for the recipient phone number. Alright, so I have to enter the phone number right over here, which is the phone number of our lead, but we're not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we're just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map the data, put a slash and then search for the data which you wish to map and map it. And now for the from phone number, it has already selected this because we have connected this. Now it is asking me for the call schedule, date and time. So yes, this was the reason why I used date time formatter by Pabbly. Alright, so just enter anything, click on this save and close this step and go towards this date time formatter. First of all, check that the format of this date and time should be this. So just copy this format right from here and then go towards this date time formatter. And once we're on this date time formatter, for the date format, just paste the same format and select it. For the time zone, you have to select the time zone as UTC. So search for UTC time zone and select it. So for the operation, I'm just going to select it as add. For the unit, I'm just going to select it as minute, and then for the value, I'm just going to keep it as 10. So I want to add 10 minutes in the current date. Why am I doing this? So when I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, this workflow is going to get triggered and instantly we have to call our leads. But while this process, it takes some time, so I'll suggest you add a delay of 5 to 10 minutes and then get the scheduled date and time so that the call can be made more easily. So I've added the delay of 10 minutes, and for that I selected modify current date. I'm just going to fetch the current date, and in that current date and time I am just going to add 10 minutes. So as you can see, I've entered all of my details. Now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the desired date and time. Now I'm just going to map this in this Bolna AI step right over here in this call schedule, date and time. So I'm just going to put a slash right over here, and then I'm just going to map the details which date time formatter generated. Noticing additional customer details, so over here is the value of this variable name. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to switch on this mapping button and add the detail right over here. And in order to add the detail, first of all you have to enter the name of the variable. So this was name, so I'm just going to type name, and once I'm just going to type name, you're going to see the name is going to appear right over here. So I'm just going to map the name of the lead right over here, and you can see I've successfully mapped it. If you want to add more details, just put comma separated values, and the details will be added one by one right over here as the new fields. I'm only just going to keep this name, move on further, and then I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, this call is scheduled and the message says done. So now this is going to make a call further and we don't have to do anything. We have created this amazing automation, and now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, first of all Pabbly is going to fetch for the current date, add 10 minutes in that current date, and then make a phone call like I showed you in the starting of this video. Once the call has been made, you can check the call history, and then you can check the total cost, and then further if you wish, you can definitely check the recordings too right over here. And as you can see, we have scheduled this call, so it is showing scheduled right over here. Over here is the timestamp too, which is exactly after 10 minutes. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. And then for your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box. box below. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.